All right, guys. So we're going to start doing a new segment, maybe. My hair is crazy, hey? It's crazy. It's early in the morning, so I'm putting my hat back on. Anyways, this new segment on the channel is going to be a little different because we deal with a lot of companies, that contact us to review products, just tons. And that's how we're able to really put out a video a day, because we can work with a couple hundred different companies a day. Some of them can be like Amazon resellers, some of them are the actual companies that make the products, etc., etc. But 98% of the companies that contact us are excellent to deal with. There are definitely some companies that contact us that we're like, not really interested in your product, and that's fine. But 1 or 2% throughout the year, 1 or 2% throughout the year are a little on the fishy side, and I think you guys should be aware of that. So this new segment from us is buyer beware. So first company, and I've already got 1 or 2 companies lined up for this that we've dealt with in the last little bit. And because of that, these are possibly companies that, like I said, business practices may seem a little fishy and concerning. Maybe companies that are doing something that really they shouldn't be doing, or companies that just want to make you do reviews that just aren't honest. Okay, ready? Number one, and this is a big one. This is one that's been happening, or is just officially, it was the reason that we decided to start making this. And this is the company here. You guys can see my email up here, and it's from this guy, Mike. You guys can see the email, Mike, right? Mike. We don't know who Mike is, but it's Mike. From HHO Inc. HHO Inc. And you can see by the date here, our email conversations started October 24th. And on October 24th, this is Mike from HHOLove product team. We love your YouTube videos. We love your content. We're fans. The engagements are impressive. We appreciate your style and capacity as an impact influencer. Cool. Awesome, right? They come down to the fact that they would like us to partner and create a review video. And this is how most of these start, right? If I can bring this over here, I'll just slide this, of this, which is a, pet brand. They basically make kitty litter boxes. There it is right there. iPet automatic cat litter box. And I was like, yeah, no, I'm down, because we have 3 cats. So not only could we do a really good review of this because we got 3 cats, but it would actually be really useful for us, which I thought, hey, that's cool. I'm down, whatever, right? So, bring this back here. This went back and forth. It actually jumped into 2 different email threads. I'm not kind of sure how or why, but you can see the next one. Hey, right here, you can see we're at October 30th. The first thing that they wanted was, and a lot of Amazon resellers, companies that put stuff on Amazon, will give you the option. They're like, hey, we can send it to you, but because it's coming from China, it may take, 2 weeks. It may take a month and a half to get there. Or if you'd like, we can ship it to you from Amazon. And I'm like, I'll do the faster way normally. Sometimes I don't mind the extra weight, because we have so many things here that even if it ships and gets here in 3 days, I can't review it for 2 weeks or 3 weeks anyway. So I was like, yeah, you can send it to us. And then they're like, no, we'll ship it from Amazon.com, but you have to pay for it, and then we'll refund you. Which again, normally it's not a big deal, because they're not saying to make a BS review. They're just kind of saying that you order it, we'll refund you, and off you go. So I don't even mind that. I don't mind that. Okay. So you can see here at the bottom here, influencer contract. Yes. And this was again on October 30th. Okay. So I replied to them on December 2nd because 7th, sorry, because I actually had the contract. They sent me a signed contract because we went back and forth a little bit in talks of what the contract was, right? And there was a few things that I'm like, yeah, I don't do that. A lot of one was like, we'd like to see the video in advance, and I'm like, nope, we don't do that. That's not something that we do, right? They're like, oh, we'd like a copy of the video so we can push it on other social medias, and I'm like, no, that it is a feature that we do for some, but it's a paid feature. So if someone wants to be able to utilize our video down the road, they have to pay for the rights for it. So we went back and forth. All right. And as of, let me see on this one here, you can see on November 7th, hey, Greg, received. We would like to confirm this is your PayPal account, because now they were going to be like, we'll pay you in advance. Then you can use the money to buy it and it'll ship. And I'm like, yeah, that's great. Perfect. Right. Here's our PayPal account. So if anybody here wants to send me money, no, I'm not going to show you that. But here's our PayPal account. I give it to them on November 7th. And then November 15th, still waiting to hear back. November 17th, hey, I send you an email saying what's going down. December 7th, I'm like, hey, this is our last time trying to contact you in regards to making a video for your cat litter product. We have a signed contract with you. It has all the stipulations in it. It's been agreed back and forth. That's what you do with a contract. You make changes. Once it's signed, it becomes official. Am I wrong in this? We hope to hear back from you soon in regards to this. December 12th. Since we have not heard from you, and you can see here, we will be publishing a video tonight for people to possibly to stay away from your brand, because we don't believe you're trustworthy, basically is what I said. Weirdly enough, not 3 hours later, I get an email back. Now, it's been over a month since I've last heard from them. Oh, just open our email. What? What company just opens their email after a month? I've been following up with our influencers. Must have missed your email. I've sent them like 6 email messages, right, over the last month. I haven't been following up due to changes. Okay, whatever. So I email back. Hey, I'm still interested in reviewing the product. So we still have a signed contract. If you'd like to move forward, again, we can continue on. Hey, Greg, well, we do not want to make a decision based on your terms. Yeah, but the terms have been signed. They've been signed and agreed to, and the agreement happened before the signing. That's how contracts work. You get a contract, you make changes, it goes back, makes changes, we agree, we sign. Once it's signed, official. Yes? Again, am I wrong? I don't think so. Again, we kind of go back and forth because for some reason now he's interested, right? I'm like, so here's the decision. Here's the decision. I leave this decision up to you. I said, seems very strange that you ignore my emails for a month or more. As soon as I talk about making a video, you respond. The contract was already agreed to. This is why both of us signed it. So yes, ignoring a contract, because they stated back here, we are not breaking a legal contract. Yeah, you are. So yes, ignoring a contract is breaking the law. That's what I said. So here's the deal. You can either send the product as stated in our contract, or you don't. And I make a video warning others about the dealings of your company, which is what you're watching right now. It's that easy. 2 options, you choose. And to be honest with you, at this point in time, I don't even want their product. I don't want it. I don't want to deal with them because they're a mess. Here's the deal. I'm going to put links down below to the product. I don't want you to buy it. That's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying, oh, go buy it, because I wouldn't. And this is just my opinion. This is my opinion. I haven't dealt with them in any other aspect outside of this. I have not bought a product from them. I have not tested a product from them. I don't know how good their product is. But what I do know, is that I don't trust them as a company. Now, you may have purchased these products in the past and have had great experiences. And if you have, I encourage you to put those down below in the comments, which is something I encourage with all of our videos, because as someone who reviews and is considered an influencer, whatever, sometimes we get treated better than maybe people that just bought the product. So I encourage you guys that have had positive or negative reviews to post them down below, right? Just don't be swearing and whatever, but just give an honest opinion of your experience. This is an honest opinion of my experience with these guys, and it's not good. It's not good. And that's it. I've given you my warning. My buyer beware. Take it as you will. I encourage your comments. Be nice. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. And I'm going to go make some videos from companies that were honest and nice to me. Oh, yeah. Later, guys. Oh, yeah. I'm back for 1 second. I've been ghosted again. It's been like 4 days since the chain of videos. And again, nothing. Gonzo.